Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. I've been traveling on the road for 5 years now and it's officially time for a change. I've put my home in storage, left my fur baby in the care of her godmother, and now it's time for me to explore and expand my wings outside of the United States. Join me as I navigate life on these international streets as a solo female traveler. Alrighty my friends, it's time to kick off my journey through Southeast Asia series. If you missed the last video, here's the route I took. My adventure started at the end of August in Norfolk, Virginia with a flight to California. Then an 18-day cruise from Long Beach, California with multiple stops in Alaska all the way to Tokyo, Japan. From Japan, I took a flight to Bali where I stayed 2 weeks, then took another flight to Singapore and stayed there for 2.5 weeks. After Singapore, my Southeast Asia tour would slowly come to an end with a 25-day cruise back to the US with stops in Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, and Hawaii. My Asia exploration has finally come to an end and I am well rested and ready to share my experience with you all. So let's get into it. But first, we have to take that flight to California. Hello my friends, I've made it to Los Angeles. Tomorrow I get free breakfast. I don't know what's up with my hair. I get free breakfast tomorrow and I'm gonna take the shuttle back to the airport because I paid for airport transportation from the airport to the pier. So let me go ahead and show you this beautiful cute little room I'm in. Cute. Oh, okay. Did not know that. Cute little closet. Nice. Hey girl. The view is just whatever that is down there. Hey girl. Dog, I really wanted to sit in a tub, so I might see if they have a jacuzzi here because I am like so sore. So fingers crossed they have a jacuzzi. They also have a restaurant and of course, like I said earlier, free breakfast in the morning, so that's nice. This is the Hyatt Place in LA. So let me take a breather. All right, so I got the carne asada fries. I don't do soggy, so I asked them to separate it, you know, so I can dip. And yep, and they do have a jacuzzi here. So after this, I am changing and then getting up in that thing to soak. Alrighty, one piece shouty, wearing my little one piece, and I'm about to go hide out at this jacuzzi. I already put on my sunscreen. I'm gonna bring my hat, pull my hair up so hopefully it doesn't get wet. Oops. My bag's on the floor. Yeah, but I hope it's some shade up there because I hate like literally sitting directly up under the sun, but I'm sore. So here comes the jacuzzi. Got a little bit of shade. Good morning my friends, it's 6 a.m. and I'm about to go downstairs and grab some breakfast. I don't have to be out of here till close to like 12 o'clock to do the shuttle to make my way to the cruise port. I've been up for about an hour now. My sisters called and we chatted a bit and I'm like, well, since I'm up, I might as well go grab some breakfast. Breakfast starts at 6, so that'll be good, and then I'll just hopefully can go right back to sleep. Take a little nap before everything gets going today. I went to sleep close to like 7 o'clock last night just because I had a super early flight yesterday. I had to get up at like 4 something and 4 something Florida time, and I went to sleep close to 7, so I was just exhausted. But yeah, let's go downstairs and see what they have to offer for breakfast. Carnival panorama, friends. I'm so excited. Oh, and there's the Queen Mary. It feels so nice out here. I'm so excited. A new grand adventure, and I'm so happy you guys are coming along with me.
This is where you depart. For now, I'm gonna show you how to light blanket. Ask you to depart like this.
All right, my friends, welcome to my little balcony room on the Carnival panorama. So I did pay for water, so that's water up there, but I also got the drink package included for the frizzy, so that was great. Here's my balcony. It's a little tight like a tiger, but it's super cute. It's more than enough space for little old me. So I have 2 closets, and here's my bathroom. Yay! I'm so excited, friends. This is gonna be my home for 18 nights or 18 days. I can't remember which is which, but yes, I'm here now. I can woosah and grab myself something to eat, and yeah.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going.
Okay, we're gonna get Guy's Burgers.
We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are.
The first meal on the ship, Guy's Burgers. It is a spicy margarita, so yeah, they were talking about it on the Facebook group. That's really good.
If you ever think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not. And the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. We're in the ocean's
Alrighty, so I'm making my way back to my room. It is officially nap time, friends. The sail away party was really nice. There's a few comedy shows going on this evening, so maybe I'll be up for one of those, maybe not. But we have 18 days on this beautiful ship, so we're just gonna take it slow and take it one day at a time, okay? Good morning, friends. It's our first full day here on the ship and first sea day. I am waiting. I have about 10 minutes left until my table is ready for sea day brunch. super excited about that. I've already gotten my tea, got my headphones, and I have some shows downloaded, so I'm super excited. I do need to schedule a pedicure, y'all, because my feet looking a little rough. These dogs barking. So I will get my pedicure scheduled maybe for today or tomorrow. But yeah, we have a few days until we hit those ports in Alaska, and I'm super excited. So let's get to breakfast. I can't believe I forgot to go to CVS before I left. I always have to make sure I have some Advil and Tylenol, and I'm literally all out. I have like 2 Tylenol fills left, so shame on me. This is about to be like $15 to $20. Friends, it was $30 for the Tylenol and Advil. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. Shame on me. Horrible, horrible. This is a pineapple, ginger, turmeric, and dates juice. So I hope it's good. Oh yes. So good. Huevos rancheros with a side of turkey bacon. I got the banana cream pie to go. It was so good when I was on the last cruise, the Venecia. And it tastes like banana pudding but with like a graham cracker crust. So this is gonna be so good. I'm full, so I'm just gonna take it to go. On this 18-day cruise, we had so many sea days. We actually had 3 before our first port in Alaska. This was the largest ship I've ever sailed on, so I decided to go exploring. And here's how I spent my first few days at sea.
I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life.
One thing I will say about Carnival, they have their selection, like TV selection, down packed. They have so many channels compared to Norwegian. I normally download a bunch of things not only on my cell phone to watch while I'm at dinner, but I also download movies on my laptop so I can have some things to watch in the evening, because Norwegian, they tend to play the same movies back to back to back, so it gets like irritating after like the 5th day, and it's like it's the same stuff. But Carnival, they have it down packed. They have channels for children. I love cartoons, and so they have Cartoon Network and Adult Swim. So I am like in heaven when I'm in my room because I have stuff to watch, like Bob's Burger. This
Beautiful,
is
huh?
vanilla. Yes, this is beautiful. Thank you.
My grandma wake up early in the morning.
This is vanilla French toast with caramelized bananas, and I have egg whites and turkey bacon for breakfast with my oat milk latte.
Sit down, sister. It's not worth your time. We got much more to do while we are in a prime. Yeah. Stop trying to change who you are, honey. You're fine, fine. All mothers and queens, all women with dreams. Tonight the world is ours. Hey, we're gonna have that girl talk, my girl tonight. We're gonna say
Gotta be sure that the girl for the funky go machina.
am I the only one? Yeah. We're gonna have that girl talk.
Thank you.
It means like lucky, or prosperous, or happiness.
Wonderful.
Don't ever say you'll never fall in love again. Stop listening to the noise. Don't you give up. Don't you give up, no. Haters will keep on hating. Come on, stop meditating. Tonight the world is ours. Hey, we're gonna have that girl talk, my girl tonight. We're gonna take that.
Friends, there's so much food. I'm already getting like super full. Look at the little details of the little balls on here. So cute. And then the meat.
It's all a lucky that.
Yummy, yummy.
This is a lucky, that is a Chinese lucky, Japanese lucky.
So good. And they bring me a side of rice. I tried, but I still had so much left over, so they made me a to-go plate, and I'm taking my dessert to go as well. The food is so good. Honestly, this has been one of the best restaurants on the ship. I enjoyed the Norwegian Asian restaurant on the Norwegian cruise as well, but this, oh my gosh, the flavors are great. And I also ordered another drink. It was like a Bali drink with rum and pineapple juice, grenadine, and something else. I'm like super tipsy off of this one drink, but I wanted to try another one. I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. And here's the Bali sunset, I believe, or is the sunrise, but I'm pretty sure it's a sunset. This one is like so strong. Oh my goodness, but it tastes really good. And the rose creme brulee. And here's the rose creme brulee to go, and I'm gonna open my fortune cookie while I'm here. Good morning, friends. Welcome to Catch a Can, Alaska. It's raining and wet out, so I'm still in the door. But oh my gosh, it's gloomy, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Yeah. We still have about an hour and a half until we port exactly. And my day, I'm gonna actually go to the urgent care clinic.